if you're a fan of mechanical watches like me, you sometimes miss having that mechanical watch, kind of the gears and all that stuff, if you're wearing a smartwatch and all of that stuff. Well, the folks at Chronomade have made a phone case and a battery for people like us. So these are premium products. This is pretty cool stuff. So first, the phone case. He spun it up, and now there's the gears. This doesn't do anything other than look cool. It doesn't charge your battery or anything like that. But that's the case. $200 for the case. So it premium parts, that's how it is. That's the case. Now, here is a battery. This is actually a prototype of a battery, but you can see how there are all of the gearing and stuff. The battery's like $300. Very cool, though. We are here at CES filtering through the noise and finding the cool little gems like this so that you can just enjoy. So make sure you stay subscribed to the Mac Geek Gab channel and also to our CES 2026 playlist so that you don't miss out on anything, none of which would be possible without the help from our CES 2026 coverage sponsors. So please, please give them some love. Stay subscribed. Thanks for watching. Don't get caught. Enjoy.